In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this nice looking texture background animation effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's create a Fusion composition. Head over to your Fusion composition and add a background. Connect it with the media out. And now let's add a text. Let's first of all go ahead and type in any text that you want. You can change the font. You can change the style of the font. That's up to you. But once you do that, go ahead and select your text and press Control space and then search for displays. So make sure you connect this and then connect the displays with the background. So here you can see we have our text. Let's go ahead and increase the size of this and let's go with extra bold. So I have this font at Open Sans Extra Bold. You can go ahead and try with any font that you have. So let's now go ahead and add a texture. So I have a texture over here. This is a white texture. As you can see over here, it has some lines within it. You can go ahead and download any texture that you want. Right now, I'm going to use a white texture. So go ahead and download any white texture that you want. Now let's go ahead and add transform and connect the transform with the media or your texture. Now let me just go ahead and reposition this. Right now we have a texture connected with the transform. Select your transform and go over to edges. And over here, change the edges to mirror. And now go over to center and right click. Once you do that, you will get an option of modify with. Go over to these options and select shake from here. So once you do that, go over to the modifiers and you will see we have this shake on transform center. So what you need to do now is set the smoothness to 4 and set the maximum to 360. Head back to your tools or your transform and once again right click, but this time do it for angle. And once again go to modify and select shape. Now go over to modify once again and set that to the same settings that we did before. 4 on the smoothness and 360 on the maximum. Now, while we have this transform selected, once again, press Control space and search for stop motion. So here we have a stop motion and this is at 5 frames repeating again and again. So now go ahead and connect it with your displays. And once you do that, our texture will be added to the text. And if we play this for now, you see we get a texture effect. The text now has some rough edges. If we zoom in, you will see that the text has some rough edges now. So now in order to make it a bit more interesting, select your displays. Within the XY settings, go ahead and set the X offset to minus 0.102 and set the Y refraction to 0.014. Now set the Y offset in the green channel to 0 and set the Y refraction to minus 0.019. Set the light power to 1.35. Keep the light angle at 135 and set the spread to 0.045. All right, so now if we go ahead and play this, this is the kind of effect that we will get. So this is how you can create a nice looking motion graphics texture-based animation in DaVinci Resolve Fusion. I hope you liked the video. You can go ahead and try these settings, try different settings to get a unique effect within it. And that's up to you. You can use these settings or you can go ahead and try playing around with different settings to get a different result. So I hope you like the video and I'll see you in the next.